Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today's a good day because I get to plant out my garden again. And I finally got the rat situation under control, and so I've removed a lot of things, and now it's just me and the geckos back here once again. So you guys can come along and plant some stuff with me. Now for my first order of business today, I don't know if you guys have noticed yet, but Arizona is a little windy. So I am going to tie up all of my tomato plants because they have gotten nice and tall. I'm also going to raise the level on my mighty crop. Now what's nice about having a mighty crop, guys, is that you really only need one ring, and you just kind of raise it as the plant grows and just kind of move the branches in where they need to go. So if you guys don't already have one and you would like to try one, check out the link down below, and you guys can use our promo code Team Benson, and that will give you 10% off. So let's raise this mighty crop and get this tomato plant looking a little bit happier. So my garden is small, so I like to have as much space as I possibly can. So being able to grow vertically is a really big thing in a small space garden. If you guys want to add as many plants as you possibly can cram in there, growing vertically and making sure that you're fertilizing so everything has enough food, that's how you do it. So the time has come. I finally get to plant out these little babies. So I am going to find a good home for them. As you guys can see, I don't have the chicken wire up anymore because hopefully all the rats are gone. But what I am going to do is, before I go to bed, I am going to stick sticky traps down in the rows. Guys, it is windy out here. But, so I went and I got a lot of my starts because I did have to get several starts since a lot of my things got eaten down by the rats. But when I went to the nursery, they suggested that I use bone meal when I'm digging the holes in my ground, just to kind of give the starts kind of like a really good boost and some more food to go. So that's what you guys are going to see me using in between me planting my plant. So those are my first 2 peppers planted, yay. So one of the things you guys might see me do is remove the bottom leaves off of my peppers. And that's because I have had peppers get really bad black leaf spot before in the past. And so one of the things I do with my peppers is I give them a long stem. So I take all the bottom leaves that I possibly can off of my peppers. So then that way when I am watering and fertilizing, nothing is splashing up onto the leaves. So that's just the way I grow my peppers. It's personal preference, but I found that it has helped a lot with keeping my plants pretty healthy. Alright guys, so this wind is insane and literally blowing everything everywhere. So I think I'm just going to plant out the peppers today, and then I'll plant out the brassicas tomorrow. So you guys will be able to see that too because I'll film it. But one of the reasons why I'm picking the peppers today is because I want to get them in the ground. Right now they're in their pots and they're kind of blowing all around in this wind, and I don't want to chance breaking the stems on them. And we're going to get some little bit of a cold weather, so I can already feel it a little bit getting a little bit chillier, but we're going to be reaching like the 60s and then 40s for the lows. So I want to go ahead and get the peppers in the ground and let those kind of do their thing, and then the brassicas I'm not really worried about planting out when it's cold, so we're gonna do the peppers. Alright guys, so that is all 4 of my peppers. I do have another one, let's get some light. I do have another one that's like a gypsum pepper. It's like supposed to be a sweet pepper, but I'm going to wait to plant that because I want to plant it in a pot. So I want there to be some potting soil. So I am going to go ahead and sign off for now because this wind is going a little bit crazy. I'll show you guys where I planted the peppers and what they look like. And until next time, make sure you guys are growing yourselves a garden because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye guys.